Right, this is Novotel Tennis Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs North, Polokwane City North. Puti, what's your name? Where do you come from?
I'm Zakes. Come from Orlando.
Orlando, yeah. How do you feel about the game today?
Angichazekanga nakancane.
Yeah.
Nakancane nje.
Yini maybe engakuchazanga nje.
Umdlalo nje the way coach wonke nje coach the way enza ngakhona enesizwe siyamtshela ukuthi akakhiphe ulokhuzana. Usithebe akuzuzwana.
Akamfuni uzwana
ngazi why.
Yeah. Kodwa asithembe ukuthi ngoba nako bathi uyi-interim coach igame yakhe yokugcina ile next week maybe omunye coach ozoqala abadlalisi ngoba ngibonile abafana abancane bayabonana bayabonana you know Mfundo Jansen also bayabonana so maybe next season but mina bengifisa ukuthi at least the past four games nalama game awu-2 akade sele badlalise le ntwana prepare for next season
ukuthi bathole confidence ukuthi babe nokuzana yabo manje lo coach lo hayi akasazi isitori sakhe
no asingamsoli kangako bathi ngoba bambiza ngesilungu bathi interim understand maybe lo nozayo uzoba right i-man of the match yakho bukubani
man of the match yami ungidlalele unokhuzana
uMduduzi Shabalala
awudlalele kamnandi akatatazelanga wenze yonke into ngendlela ube mnandi
okay yabo shop ngikuzwa ngathi now une complain yana bothi
no mina into engisho bhuti wami ukuthi isizini obvious ayisivumanga ne singaqamba manga sithini iphelile asamene ukuthi at least if singathola ucoach omusha
alright
and then sizama u-reinforcer i-midfielder yethu
ngiyeke lo
une-point ikhosi emuva u-Apolice omunye amaplayer ngimbhekile ezikhosi nawe yabo singazama ukuthi simfake naye sibooste isquad sethu because manje siyaphayisiseka straight
yazi inkinga ye-Chiefs ngiyako nje ipoint yoba ekabafule I mean lena ukuthi sothenga u-Apolice noma iyifiso zabalandeli because i-Chiefs ayimthengi umuntu ohot u-Apolice uzomthenga after 5 years esephelile omayo laba uzobathenga after 5 years sebe-expirile o-Reina uzobathenga after 5 years sebe-expirile
mina I think i-management
Sithebe kudala simfuni
simthenga seka-reject sekafile
le ntwana le ebuya kumdansana naye sasempuna kudala
samthenga sekaphelele sengasenanix so into engishoyo
ilo nto leyo
i-management okay siyavuma singama-fans kuphela ne mara ayizama ukusimamela isizwe ukuthi sithini nangu Apolice yabona Apolice namhlanje beka man of the match lo mfana lo udilivile lo mfana lo so iphela ifana no-Apolice abobhobhi kumele bavule amehlo ba-check balande lo mfana lo
kusashesha engakabizi kakhulu because once wabiza
i-Sundowns izomthatha
bonke la bona uMendiethe bathathile awazi nokuthi uManagement
yabona kodwa singapheli umoya singamakhosi nesiqhubeke sisupporte bafethu next season siyabuya ngeke wazi uzenzakalani ngeke wazi
ngathi ni-10 vele nama season awu-2 second season third season lokuthi niyabuya
2025 you never know
okay all the best
sure